How to scan QR code on Brawl Star. Hey guys, so in this video I'll show you step by step on how to scan QR code on your Brawl Star so to redeem the reward. All you have to do now, first of all, now go on and after you open your phone, now go ahead and search for smart scanner on your mobile phone like this. So make sure you have this smart scanner like this one. If you don't have this smart scanner, just go ahead and open up your Play Store or App Store if you are using iOS. Just go and search for smart scanner like this. You'll be able to see different scanner. Just go and install this one, smart scanner. So after you install it on your phone, all you have to do now go back to your browser. After you open browser, tap on the search. After you tap on the search, go and search for this. As you can see now, here is it now, Brawl Star QR code. Brawl Star QR code. Just search like this. So there is different website that gives you this option. So I'll go with this one, this first one. So tap on this first one. So now it will open the site for you. So if you scroll all the way to down, as you can see now, here are different, as you can see now, QR code that you can go ahead now and redeem. All you have to do now, just take a screenshot of the QR code like this. So I'll use my phone to take a screenshot like this. So after you take screenshot like this, now just tap on the screenshot and use your hand to resize the screenshot like this. So you can use this, you can use one by one, or you can just leave it like this. Let's say I will leave this two, so I'll tap on this save button at the top. So now I save this QR code on your mobile phone, on my phone. So go back now. After you go back now, go and open the scanner, smart scanner. So here is the scanner. I'll open it. After you open the scanner like this, now tap on this upload image button, this one. So from this option, now tap on this option. Now go ahead now and select the scanner. Here is it now under the screenshot option. So here is the screenshot. So from this option now, after I select the screenshot, now as you can see now it gives me the QR code of the scanner. It already just scanned the key, the screenshot. Just tap on the link it gives you. So now it will take you to a browser. As you can see now here is the reward. All you have to do now, you can tap on this claim reward button. From there it will take you to your Brawl Star application, and from there you can be able to claim the reward. That's it guys. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.